Hi guys, welcome to another session of Kiska Brand Vijayga Live. Hope you all are having a super Sunday and enjoying your Father's Day with your families, and hope you all are having a great time. Alright, so let me introduce you to today's guest for the live. Today we have one of the youngest and the most talented TV star with us who has won our hearts with her role as Nandini Murthy in Kaisi Hai Arya. Also, she's done a number of episodics like Ye Hai Aashiki and many more. Please welcome Niti Taylor, guys. Keep pouring in your questions for Niti. We'll surely bring them up with her and make sure that she answers them. I'll take her on live. Niti is here. I'm going to take her on live. Please pour in your questions for Niti, guys. We'll make sure that she answers them. Okay, I can already see a lot of questions pouring in. Yes. We'll have her here any moment, guys. Just a second. Please keep pouring in your questions. Yes, I can see Niti here. Requested Niti to come on the live, and we'll have you in a moment. Please make sure you keep pouring in your questions. Hi Niti, how are
Hello,
you?
hi. How are you?
How are you? I'm fine.
I
How
am
are you doing?
I'm good.
So Niti, how is it going? Like few days back, we saw you shaking a leg with your father. So how is quarantine being with your family time, with spending so much family time, and how's it going?
I think it's really good. I'm so happy that I'm here. I think in Bombay, being alone would have been so crazy. And here, like mentally, physically, I have people around me. I have anything happens, I have them. And best part is I don't have to buy grocery. So yeah. So yeah, और सब घर के काम तो बहुत अच्छी तरह से सीख लिए. So yeah.
I
I
think that's
missed
with
you
all
guys
of
too.
us.
I missed you guys too. After a very long time, I've come, and actually, this live was pending since really long. I think it's been the longest. That's why Sunday was like a बहुत पहले का time दिया था. So I was like, चलो, let's just do this today.
Right, right. So basically, it's a fun thing for you right now because you're enjoying with family and you're having a good time.
Yes, I am.
Oh, wow. All right, Niti. So our team has curated some fun questions and activities for you. So let's begin.
Okay, let's do
Yes.
this.
All right. So starting with three things you've learned about friendship and relationship from Kaisi Hai Arya.
Okay, can I answer this and say like what I've learned in Kaisi Hai Yaariyan and what I've like the show, what I've learned, right?
Yeah, right.
Like show में Nandini Murthy, what has she learned?
What is she?
What is
That
or
also, or you can
Niti?
answer as Niti also.
I think that will be very controversial. But okay, so as Nandini Murthy, I think loyalty for them, friends are family. So that is the second point: family, and loyalty, and being honest and very loyal. I think that is there. And in real life, I think friendship for me will be like there's a lot of jealousy. There's a lot of to be very honest, it's very difficult to find good friends. Very difficult to find honest, true friends who are going to be there for you no matter what. So honest friends. The list will keep going on. I think jealousy is like the big factor for all of us.
I think that's rightly said by you because finding those true precious friends is definitely not easy in the real life, and
See,
so we
loyalty
stand by
तभी
you.
आती है जब आप true होते हो. Like when you're true to someone, when you are just honest, the loyalty lies there. So loyalty comes very later on in life, I think.
That's true. Also, any crazy fan story that, fan moment you've had on the set or otherwise that you've
I
experienced?
think I think a lot of them know about the set thing. A lot of them, because that's what whenever I've gone for lives, these are the questions I've been asked. But I will tell you one thing. So there was this fan called, I won't name her, sorry, but she was from Hyderabad, okay, and she said, yeah, I tattooed, and that it was initial days of my career, okay, and talking to fans and replying to the message was something I used to do, to be very honest. So then एक बारी क्या हुआ कि she was messaging me, I was replying and all, and then suddenly she sent me a tattoo, and
Okay.
it's, like over here it was written my name, and it was like huge. I was like, मैंने ऐसे फोन रखा, I was like, my god, ये क्या है? No guys, this is another incident. See, they're talking about the set वाला. This is
Yeah, the
another
old
thing.
one.
I was like, ये क्या हो गया? I was like, oh my god, I can't see this. And my dad was right there. He's like, what happened? I was like, girl, just tattooed my name. It's very weird. I don't know how to react. He's like, Niti, just tattooed your name. It's a big thing. I was like, yeah, but I don't want someone to tattoo my name on their hand. And I know for a fact that that girl had lost her father recently. And I was like, और मैंने मेरी पहली चीज ये आया कि अगर वो शादी कभी जिंदगी में करेगी, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू गेट अ टैटू डन, एंड माय मदर ऑलवेज टोल्ड मी व्हेन यू ग्रो ओल्ड योर स्किन विल सैग एंड द टैटूज विल लुक वेरी बैड. Okay,
Right.
this is like long ago, so this was told to me. So I was also like, also, but when she gets married, imagine her husband saying Niti on it.
Yeah.
Like, that was the first thing I was like, Mummy, how like that? So I think that was like a very funny thing. And I lost, like I stopped talking to that girl because I got very थोड़ा वो creepy नहीं, but मैं थोड़ा
I
taken
think,
aback हो
yeah,
गई थी.
that's
Yeah,
truly a crazy moment. I think a crazy fan moment
it was,
that
see,
we
it was
had.
not a small thing, it was a huge thing, like a huge
Right.
thing. And only and my name was only 4 letter का नाम. So imagine how big it was.
Wow, my God. That's great. That's amazing. Niti, so in 2018, you were a part of 4 music videos, and Cappuccino also came out in 2019. So, is there any particular singer that you want to collaborate with in terms of your music videos?
Particular singer? Oh,
Yeah.
uh, I would love to be in. Oh, oh God, I'm so bad with names. You know the guy. Oh shit, I'm actually very bad with names. जिसने वो तरीफा गाया था.
Yeah,
The,
yeah,
the
yeah.
yeah, I
Um,
think with
isn't the name starts with T, I guess, because even I'm bad with names. I
yeah.
think the
So the
name
same
starts with
person with
T.
T. I would love to. Yeah, for sure.
Okay, wow, that's great. Also, like, do you have any funny or an embarrassing audition story that when you started off early, since you started off at an early age, so there was an embarrassing moment while giving an audition or anything like that?
Okay, I'll tell you. So when this is okay, I can't name the production house also, but this is a production house that I've been offered so many shows, but because the Hindi is so much that I have never, like, my Hindi is okay, it's not bad, but it's not that good also. और मुझे अपने flaws पता है, तो I remember I had gone for that audition, and when they gave me the script in Hindi. अब हिंदी सबने स्कूल में पढ़ी है, अब मेरा स्कूल का डेज ओवर हो गया, खत्म हो गया. And I was like, okay, and literally I was bad in Hindi. I am very bad. I can't read Hindi properly. I can read normal Hindi, but इतना भी वो dialogue वालोग इतना भारी
Deep
पड़ता था.
meaning. Yeah.
मैं ऐसी थी. I was like, by God, पढ़ना नहीं आ रहा था, बोलना नहीं आ रहा था, और समझ नहीं आ रहा था. The worst part for me is I need to know what I'm saying. So
Right.
once you understand ना, then emotions भी आ जाते सब आते. मैं समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था क्या है. बहुत कठिन हिंदी थी. It was really difficult. I looked at it and I told that guy, I was like, listen, I won't be able to do it. I was honest to him. I was like, it's
Right.
I'm not good. Like, I know I will not justify it. So he's like, नहीं आप try तो करो. एक तो force करना ना लोगों की बहुत गंदी आदत है. Try करो, ऐसे कैसे, नहीं, please करो. तो मैंने बोला क्या करूँ. तो उस टाइम मैं अपने ऑटो में एक्चुअली आई थी. आई केम इन एन ऑटो. So I remember, uh, I spoke. I said, हाँ ठीक है भैया मैं आ रही हूँ रुको. So I told him, I was like, listen, my driver has come. He's left something, so I have to pick something up from the car. I'll just be back.
You
I
ran
got
away.
out, and he literally came to the gate, and I'm talking. And the thing is, the road इधर जाता है और traffic इधर जाता है, like, and I was on this
Yeah.
side. So I was like, अच्छा आगे आ जाना आगे आ जा हाँ okay उधर ही रुक जाना. इतना नाटक किया ना मैंने. I went straight. I took a left. I called for an auto. I sat and I switched off my phone.
Oh
I
God,
switched
that
off
is
my phone.
epic.
I switched off my phone. I was like gone.
That is epic, Niti. You know, when I'm hearing this now, right now at present, I'm laughing so much. I'm sure the incident must have been much more funnier, and
मुझे तो बहुत
it's
हंसी आती है.
truly
And when I
epic.
do stupid things and silly things, I laugh at myself. I'm like, what am I doing? What kind of an actor you are? I say all these things to myself.
No, but this was real fun to hear. So, with this, we have come to an interesting, fun segment that we have for you, Niti, which is called the rapid fire round. The rule is
Okay.
simple: you have to be rapid and quick with your answers.
Okay.
Okay, let's start. The emoji you use the most. You have to enact it.
The party one. Oh,
Okay, you can't enact. All right, okay, got it. The craziest and the most adventurous thing you have ever done.
scuba diving in Sri Lanka this time. Scuba nahi, snorkeling. I've done it everywhere else, but for me that was the most adventurous place. It was scary.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
One wardrobe essential every girl should have, according to you.
Oh,
Anything
I
that a girl
think
should have in her wardrobe.
I think white color heels because I always want one, or nude heels. I think it really does wonders. You can just wear it.
Okay, so basically matching heels for every
No, nude
outfit.
color heels, like a
Nude heels. Okay.
nude
Okay,
color.
okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think that goes on everything. So it's like perfect.
everything.
Go to. Yeah. Okay. Name one celebrity. Hello. You're
Yeah.
getting
Name
stuck.
one
Yeah.
celebrity.
Name one celebrity whose fashion closet you would want to steal.
To be honest, there's this girl I follow. Her name is Janvi
Okay.
Tukaram. I think I want all her clothes. I want all her clothes.
Okay.
They're
Wow.
so fancy. My
Okay.
God.
Is she an
Celebrity यार
influencer or
everybody is
something?
very high fi and also इतने ख्वाब रखना नहीं चाहिए जहाँ तक आप पहुँचोगे नहीं. So yeah,
Okay. A, a Bollywood movie you wish you were a part of.
जाने तू या जाने ना.
That's the cutest movie, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. An Instagram account which you've been stalking continuously.
सच बताना है.
It's okay. Yes.
Uh, Stalking, right, for few days it's just been off Instagram because it's just so depressing opening it. But
Right.
oh, wait, I'm trying to
Anyone.
remember whose account. नहीं अभी uh, shit, whose account? I'm always stalking people. I'm always stalking people.
Okay, you have to be quick.
I know,
We've
I know. I
already
can't. I
crossed the
can't
time limit.
remember. I can't remember.
Okay, okay. We'll come to this one later in the end. Till then, let's move
Ishan
forward.
Cutter. I
Oh
don't
wow,
follow
you
him.
get it.
Yeah.
Okay, wow. One thing that no one knows about you.
That I say a prayer 3 p.m. and it's been years, so many years. 3 p.m. every time my alarm goes and I'm praying. There's like a
Oh
special
wow.
prayer. Yeah.
That's something really unusual we got to hear about you. That's great. Okay, a show you have binge watched recently.
I'm watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians for the third time in my life. And every time I watch it, I really feel like मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं है because I've forgotten what I've seen because there are so many seasons. But Keeping Up with the Kardashians is crazy.
True. Okay, a song which you describe as your current state of mind.
Oh, uh, you kahito होगी वो
Yeah.
दुनिया जहाँ तुम मेरे साथ है. Yeah, that's all.
From Jaane To Ya Jaane Na. Right. Okay, so this brings us to the end of our rapid fire, and I think you answered all the questions in a rapid manner except the one which you had to,
Talking.
yeah, the stalking one, yeah. But I think you did pretty well. So yeah, I think yeah. So let's move on with the questions. Also, Niti, so we all are actually saddened by the unexpected demise of Sushant Singh Rajput. So off reel, behind the screen of glitz and glamour, there might be a lot of challenges and mental stress as an actor. So could you throw some light on the same?
Of course, I think in any profession, not only this, I think things happen. I think this incident has shaken the entire like entire world तो नहीं बोलूँगी लेकिन India, I can say that. Like, people have, like, new stories are coming out. But things do happen, they do. And for me, I would always say, you need to surround yourself with the right people in your life. It's very, very important. Because when you have the right people, when you have the right guidance, I think things become better for you. And of course, you need, sometimes everybody says, I'm here for you, I will talk to you, you can talk to me anytime. Sometimes people don't like talking. Like, recently I was grieving. I was sad. I don't want to talk to anyone. What do I say? Why am I sad? They'll ask me 100 questions. I don't want to answer that thing. I'm sad. It's inside me. I don't grieve well, I think. But like, I don't like to discuss. But yes, just be there. Like, I just had like 2-3 friends who messaged and called me every single day. I did not answer. I did not speak to them. But they didn't not call me the next day. They still, and I was like, these are your few friends. Or ऐसे situations में you come to know who are your true friends or not. And it's very important to have the right people, because the right people keep you sane. That's what I believe. That, loneliness in Bombay is such a huge city with so much competition around you. A lot of things can go wrong. I also live alone, and it gets depressing at times. It does, and you never know what is the reason. Even if you have 100 people in the room, sometimes it feels like you don't have anyone at all. So of course, I feel things do happen in the industry, and people are, you know, they like more of the other people and not the other people. I can say that happens a lot, of course.
I think that's rightly said by you. No matter what and how you're feeling, I think talking it out with the right person will reduce it to a certain level. Maybe not cure it totally, but will reduce it to a certain level for sure.
That's what, if I would have been in Bombay right now, I would have been like, I would have gone mad. I know it, because so many things are happening in the world. It's sad to see when you switch on the news. क्या क्या बोल रहे जा रहे हैं. It's just crazy. Instagram, after uh, the sad thing that happened, it was crazy. It's still crazy. Like, whenever I open, nothing else is there. It's only this. And it's quite disturbing to read so much about it, and now people are digging and saying anything. Everybody's making a different story. It's crazy. And also, the rituals the parents go through going to that house, I think everything is out there. There is no privacy. I think it's so disturbing. It's so disturbing. I don't know what, the parents must have gone through, like his family. It's crazy.
Truly, I think it's actually a real bad one. Seeing the social media that's on such a blast, and the news channels speaking anything, giving out any news. So yeah, that's bad. And so moving on, Niti, what has been the most memorable day in your acting career?
In my acting career, when actually my creative head came to me and said, a lot of people, like, because she was the writer and she wrote the scripts and everything, she said ki, I like, I thought you would not pull it off, but no one could play Nandu as well as you, and you were so natural. I think being called a natural actor, it's a big meaning itself, like being so natural, like, it's a big
I,
thing. So
That's the most uplifting thing you can hear
Uplifting,
as
yeah. Like
an
you know,
actor.
you put in so many, you put in so many hours, you do so much, and then somebody comes to you and says, "Ki you were so natural, ki pata hi nahi, it was so effortless your performance," and that I think itself means the world. Like wow.
Definitely, absolutely. Wow. All right. So this brings us to the second fun segment that we have for you, Niti. And this is truly a fun one. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So it's called the Act It Out segment. So here I'll basically give you a hypothetical situation from Bollywood and you have to act the scenario like you're talking on the phone. So we'll do the first one, you'll get a better idea. You'll get a better idea.
Is it easy?
Yeah, yeah,
Because
it's very easy.
okay,
It's
chalo.
very easy. Okay. So someone is calling you and is asking you, Devi Prasad ghar par hai kya? And you get very irritated, try to explain that I am not Devi Prasad.
So I have to enact. मैं देवी प्रसाद
Yeah.
नहीं हूँ.
So yeah, you just have to enact how you're gonna say it, how you're gonna explain it to him that you're not Devi Prasad
Listen,
in an irritating manner.
me being me, I would cut the call. I'm like, oh hell with you, sir. I am not Devi Prasad. आपने wrong number, आपकी wrong number मिला है. मैं देवी प्रसाद नहीं हूँ, and I will cut the call on his face.
I think that's the thing most of us are gonna do.
I love cutting calls on people. It's bad, but I do love it.
Okay, the second one. Your fiance Devdas has just called and is telling you that he is leaving you for Chandramukhi. So how are you gonna react on the call?
And he's my fiance.
Yeah,
Like
Devdas.
Devdas.
Yeah, yeah. The Shah Rukh Khan wala Devdas.
हाँ, me being me.
Yeah, yeah.
Tell me how it was. Enjoy. I swear,
I
I feel
think
like मजे कर लिए. Enjoy yourself. Don't come running back to me. I'm very mean like that.
that's like a perfect answer for sure.
Yeah,
Bang on.
go enjoy.
Okay, the last one. You get a call saying that you have to invest 70 lakhs and it will be doubled in 21 days. So what will be your reply on the call?
भैया मैंने जमातार देखा है. मुझे पता है ये सब कैसे होता है. फोन रखिए और यहाँ दोबारा कॉल मत कीजिए.
Wow, okay. I think this is real fun. I had a lot of fun,
Yeah.
and I'm sure even you did.
Yes, yes.
All right. Niti, moving on to the questions further. You've been very active on your YouTube channel and with your episodes of tailor-made stories. So, as an actor in today's day and time, is it important to create more and more content to stay relevant on the social media?
See, relevant on social media is different from YouTube because YouTube is all content and it's watched by everyone and anyone, and the audience is wide over here. Over here on Instagram, it's mostly like you who trolls you. It's the bacha parties who troll you, right? Like
Right.
you get trolled. YouTube is, I think it's clearer, but yes, it's so difficult to think of. Content. Like I also sometimes I'm like ab kya banao, like it's so important to keep your audience, the people who love you, who watch you, to keep them entertained, because once you start, like you shoot a bad episode, people are like अरे इसको क्यों देखेंगे,
Yeah.
and everybody
They
doesn't know
tend to
you as Niti
unsubscribe that
Taylor.
moment.
Yeah,
Yeah,
people
right.
don't know you as Niti Taylor. Everybody doesn't know I'm an actor. So people who do not know me as an actor, I have to be like I've also said it in one of the episodes. Ki, hi guys, who people who don't know me, I'm an Indian television actor, and this is Niti Taylor, and I've recently I've said that also because you don't know who's watching. Everybody doesn't watch TV. I myself don't watch TV, so I can't expect that. But yes, creating content, you really have to think out of the box because everybody is doing the same thing, and then that will not make you different from them. So you have to think of how to do it. Even if you're doing something same, how can you change it? It's a long process, and I'm doing it all by myself, so it's a lot of hard work.
Yeah, and I think these days, great content is a thing to be on page with everyone. Otherwise, people tend to
Yes,
unsubscribe in a second. Yeah, they
in a
don't even take a
second
moment
they
to
even
unsubscribe.
unfollow you in a second. Like people have started unfollowing is like मेरा एक तो वो I am climbing the ladder and suddenly the snake just bites and I'm like, my
Comes
god,
out.
मेरी picture अच्छी नहीं थी. It's like that. मेरी photo अच्छी नहीं थी. What kind of photo should I put? Yeah, so
Yeah, that's right. All right, Niti, everyone wants to know what would your detox menu look like?
what does my
Detox menu look like?
oh, a lot of cucumbers, a lot of mint leaves, a lot of what else do I actually have a detoxy water, but abhi right now I don't have, but I have the entire thing. I just put it out. Hi Palash. uh, yeah, I have a lot of fruits. Watermelon also, I think, is really good. And
Okay,
lychees. My
great.
father's getting me so many lychees. It's insane.
Yeah. I think the lychee season is the best season. I think after mangoes, we have lychees coming out, and that's like the best time
Lychee is only
of the
here for
year.
like a month or something and it
Yeah.
goes. So you have to have whatever lychees you get. And remember guys, bada size lychee khareedna. The bada, the better.
Okay, that's a great advice. All the viewers, please do
Yeah.
check this out.
I didn't know that. My
Okay.
dad told me.
Okay. Niti, so this brings us to the last fun segment that we have lined up for you, which is a 5 second rule. So the questions that I ask you, you have to answer within 5 seconds. The first thing that comes to your mind.
Okay.
Okay, let's start. Three favorite songs to sing in the shower.
Leja, leja. थोड़ी leja, leja. टिप टिप बरसा पानी ये मौसम की बारिश ये बारिश का पानी.
The other two, the second and the third one were like apt for bathroom.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Three things you would definitely steal from the hotel room.
Uh, the chappals, the sewing kit, and the pen and the paper.
Okay. But no, not those small bath soaps and all that they have.
If it's a very good hotel, then otherwise,
Okay. Three excuses for being late.
टायर पंचर हो गया था. मेड लेट घर पे आई. My maid came late, that's why. And tire puncture, maid came late. Oh, and I got
Traffic.
locked out of my house. No, no, traffic is very basic. No, I have to be
No.
very
Outside of the box.
outside the box.
Okay. Three things you've done at 3 a.m.
Call my friend at 3 a.m. We have gone out at 3 a.m. We have eaten out. We have gone to. I can't say things. Yeah, we've done girly things.
Okay, wow. Your 3 a.m. has been adventurous basically.
My 3 a.m. friend is Ananya Ganguly. She's my 3 a.m. friend. She calls me, I call her, we are at each other's houses. And then we're doing
Wow.
crazy, yeah,
All the
crazy
time,
things.
but
I do
yeah.
all my crazy things with her.
Wow. Okay. Three things you would do when nobody's looking.
Oh, okay. When nobody's looking, three things.
Yeah.
Try and observe them. I think I like to analyze people when they're right there. Like, इसको ये पसंद होगा, इसको वो, like that. And I think fix my clothes. That's something I do when no one's looking. Or if I've got a
Okay. And
wedgie, just pull it. Yeah.
okay. And the third one.
Is if I don't like the water, then pour. Like if I don't like the taste of any drinks that are given.
Yeah.
Yeah, किसी को दे दो. This happens a lot. You know, somebody gives you something, you don't like it, and I pass it out. Like pass it out. You pass it off. I'm like, hello, yaar.
Okay. Great. Three shows you have binge watched.
Friends, Full House, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, Grey's Anatomy. The list goes on and on.
Okay. Wow. That's a long list.
Yeah.
Wow. Three breakfast meals.
Scrambled egg, omelette with sausages, English breakfast. Of I love it, and dosa, masala dosa.
Yeah. South Indian breakfast is class.
It's amazing. It's the best.
Yeah. Okay. Three things that you would do after the lockdown.
I want to go and party, and I want to go to Bombay. So, so Bombay party, and I would love to meet in Bombay only one of my friend. I don't want to meet the rest.
Wow. Okay, that was like on face.
Yeah,
Nice.
I would just like to meet one of my friend. I can name her also, but I won't do that.
Okay, and the last one is three reasons why you would be thrown out of the bar.
From the car,
From the bar.
from the bar, because I'm drunk, because because I'm drunk, uh, because I have. Sorry, my dad was talking on the phone. Yeah, okay, so because I'm drunk, because I'm dancing everywhere and pushing people. I do that a lot, and I don't know. I'm
Has
not
that
so
ever
adventurous.
happened to you? Have you been thrown out of the bar till now? Ever?
No, never, never,
No.
no,
Okay. Wow.
no.
All right. This brings us
I've
to the
always been given shots. Whoever looks at me, they think I drink shots. So they drink shots. I'm like, no, thanks.
okay. This brings us to the end of our fun segment, Niti, and come to the last question of our life. With the advent of the OTT platforms, can we expect you anytime soon in an upcoming web series that you're debuting on?
See, I was doing a web series. I don't know what's happening because I got a call and they said it's gone to August. So now I don't know. I'm leaving now. I'm not thinking about it. Now, when it has to happen, it will happen. So I hope good things fall in place. Hi, Amal.
Definitely, they will. Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely, they will. And we wish you all the best for the same. Also,
Thank you.
Niti, it would be great if you could give us a shout out to like and follow our page to all the viewers who are watching this live session.
For sure, for sure. We'll do that.
Yeah,
अच्छा ऐसे बोलना है अभी बोलना है
yeah, yeah, yeah.
अच्छा okay I was like okay अलग से वीडियो बनाना है okay guys
No,
please
no,
like
no.
share and comment and please spread lots of love किसका ब्रांड बचेगा के साथ मी नीति टेलर
And this is
yeah that's it
Pracheta.
yeah, Pracheta
Pracheta.
sorry I
Yeah.
didn't even ask you your name I'm going to call you P because because the name
It's
is
a
a little
long one.
difficult yeah it's a long
Yeah,
one
it is.
Pracheta
I get that
okay
from a lot of people.
yeah so
All right. It was really fun and it was awesome having you at Kiska Brand Bajega Niti. I had a fun session and honestly it was I was actually laughing at your scenarios, the one that you mentioned. So this is
thank you
really
so
fun
much.
having you
I'm
on our show.
honored. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good day and have a safe day.
You too. Take care of yourself. Self. Take care. Bye.
Take care. Bye. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you guys had fun. I definitely did. And please stay tuned in as we have another session lined up for 7 p.m. Also, stay safe. Take care. Bye. Have a super Sunday.